If you've ever been stung by a bee or wasp, you might think the attack came out of nowhere, but bees and wasps will only sting when they feel threatened. They are social animals and often their attacks are as a response to a particular chemical given off by other members of their hive. Now the science behind these attacks have been explained in a video by the American Chemical Society. Most of the 20,000 species of wasps are solitary, but because solitary wasps do not sting, most humans are more familiar with social wasps, who live in complex communities. Only female bees and wasps can sting. Males do not have the egg-laying organ that is modified into a stinger on female insects. Unlike bees, female wasps have the ability to sting a target multiple times because their stinger does not fall off after use. Social wasps and honeybees both use pheromones, secreted or excreted chemicals that trigger a social response in members of the same species. When a wasp stings a human approaching a nest, the small insect simultaneously emits a chemical that signals the rest of the colony to attack. This phenomenon was explained in a video from Reactions, a YouTube series from the American Chemical Society that uncovers the chemistry in everyday life. It's not so much that you've killed a wasp, it's that you've threatened a wasp or their wasp home, says Sophia Kai, host of the video. Wasps and bees will not sting someone at rest if they have not been disturbed by some agitation of their nest or threatened by swatting or quick movement of arms or legs. They may land on someone's skin to inspect the smell or get water, but they will leave if the person stays calm and does not move quickly. Certain insects and animals release pheromones, often as oils or sweat, and other creatures can detect and respond to these compounds, which allows for a form of silent, purely chemical communication. Since pheromones were first defined in 1959, scientists have found many examples of pheromonal communication. Both social wasps and honeybees use alarm pheromones to warn their buddies about nearby dangers, says Ms. Kai. These chemicals are secreted by some of the group when they think they are in danger, like if the nest is disturbed or one of them is killed. If a hive or nest is disturbed, guard wasps will send out these guard molecules to rally the troops, she says. The rest of the wasps react to the pheromones by swarming out of the nest and attacking the intruder. In honeybees, one of the molecules in their pheromone mixture is isopentyl acetate, which is also known as banana oil because it is made naturally by the banana plant. The molecule is often used to produce a banana flavor in foods because it smells like the fruit. This is why beekeepers will say that a hive of distressed bees smells like bananas. Because the attacks are triggered by pheromones, beekeepers use smoke from a special dispenser to disguise the smell of the molecules and calm their hives down.